Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring one of the most iconic natural wonders in the world, Niagara Falls. Let's dive into the beauty, history, and excitement that this amazing place has to offer. Niagara Falls is actually a group of three waterfalls located on the border between the United States and Canada. These are the Horseshoe Falls, American Falls, and Bridal Veil Falls. Horseshoe Falls is the largest and most famous, located on the Canadian side. American Falls and Bridal Veil Falls are both on the American side, with Bridal Veil being the smallest. Let's talk numbers. The falls have a vertical drop of over 160 feet. Horseshoe Falls drops about 167 feet, while American Falls ranges between 70 to 100 feet due to the boulders at its base. The width is equally impressive. Horseshoe Falls spans about 2,700 feet. American Falls about 940. The flow rate here is incredible, with an average of 85,000 cubic feet of water per second. Most of that water, about 90%, flows over Horseshoe Falls, with the remaining 10% going over American and Bridal Veil Falls. There's so much to do here. You can take the famous Maid of the Mist boat tour to get up close to the base of the falls, or experience the journey behind the falls for a unique view from behind the cascading water at Horseshoe Falls. If you're feeling adventurous, check out the Cave of the Wines, where wooden walkways bring you right up to Bridal Veil Falls. For stunning panoramic views, hop on the Niagara Skywheel or visit the Skyline Tower on the Canadian side and the Prospect Point Observation Tower on the American side. Did you know Niagara Falls is also a major source of hydroelectric power? Several power plants along the Niagara River harness the immense energy of the falls to generate electricity. The surrounding areas are just as beautiful. Niagara Falls State Park on the American side is the oldest state park in the U.S., while Niagara Parks on the Canadian side offers gorgeous parks, gardens, and attractions. This area has been significant to Indigenous peoples for centuries and has been a popular tourist destination since the 19th century. And let's not forget the daredevils who have tried to go over the falls in barrels and other contraptions over the years, adding to the falls' rich history and lore. Niagara Falls truly is a natural wonder that continues to captivate visitors with its beauty, power, and history. If you haven't been here yet, it's definitely worth a visit. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you next time.